This video is going to show how to create PCB footprints from a template in OrCAD X Presto 24.1. OrCAD X Presto includes a standard library of commonly used footprints. However, new footprints are introduced every day. Footprints can be created manually, but this is very time-consuming and can be prone to errors. OrCAD X Presto 24.1 introduces a simple wizard-based generator to create footprints, saving design time and energy. In this example, we will create a QFP footprint for an ATmega 4809 microcontroller. Information to create the footprint can be found in the provided datasheet. To follow along, open the provided PDF file in a PDF viewer. Navigate to page 5. A table of part dimensions is shown. Open OrCAD X Presto 24.1 or later to start creating the footprint. Select File, New, Template-Based Footprint from the menu. The footprint generator opens. For this example, expand SMT Quad Flat Package and select QFP block. The graphic changes to that of a QFP chip. Enter a name for the footprint. For this example, we will name ours 48TQFP 7x7. To change the units, double-click the cell for units. A drop-down menu opens. Select the appropriate units for your design, in this case millimeters. We are now ready to define the chip parameters. First, define the number of pins on the horizontal axes, labeled NX, the number of pins on the vertical axes, NY, and the pin pitch. These values can be obtained from the datasheet for the ATmega 4809. Any visual measurement shown can be compared with the visual measurement shown in the infographic in the footprint generator wizard. Next, define the body parameters. Define the total IC package height, the standoff, or the height of the bottom of the chip above the board, the total width and height of the chip including pin length, labeled as span, and the body width and height of the chip, labeled as body. Lastly, define the pin contact parameters for the chip. Define the contact length, contact width, pin thickness, contact angle, the height above the board at which the pin terminates, the radius of the pin bend, and the terminal leg angle. We are now ready to generate the footprint. Select the desired IPC standard from the drop-down at the top of the window. For this example, select IPC-B. Click Generate to generate the part and close the window. A 48-pin 7mm by 7mm footprint is shown in the PCB canvas. Select File, Save from the menu. The footprint can now be used in future designs with Allegro or Presto. If any changes need to be made to the footprint, select the Launch symbol for Source Template in the Properties panel to open the Footprint wizard. Edit the values and regenerate the footprint. Let's view the new footprint in 3D. A 3D model was automatically generated when the footprint was created. Open the Visibility panel and select the Display mode. Under Mode, select 3D. A 3D rendering of the QFP chip is shown in the Presto canvas. Click and drag the middle mouse button to pan the view. Hold Shift on the keyboard while dragging the middle mouse button to rotate. Quickly and easily create PCB footprints from a template using the wizard-based generator included in OrCAD X Presto. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.